Okay, so we're splicing this. Now with this geometric pattern, you have to be perfect. But nobody's perfect, right? And so it's a nail biter. So if you're not perfect, how would you go? Would you challenge yourself and cut it across? No, because that would give you the greatest amount of misalignments. To count on this, to all be under there, perfectly like that, you're not considering the tension on the wallpaper, etc., etc., etc. So when you have something like this, there's only one way to go, and that is with these lines. Now our threshold is here. In other words, the paper underneath it ends here, so we're just short about 5-6 inches. So let's do this. Okay. How are we gonna do this? We gotta go with the connections. I'd rather not have you in my hand when I do this. Not that I have any problem with you, but you know what I'm talking about. Oh no. I'm so concerned. I'm so concerned. I started off the new year pretty good, and I didn't expect to be dealing with this. Oh gosh. I'm in trouble, and I got myself in a jam. I'm gonna violate my own rule. Okay, boys, what should I do? Okay, what I'm gonna do is this. Go across, shut up. Don't tell anybody. Shut your face. Shut your mouth. Okay, buddy. All right, buddy. Cut across the way. Come on. You can do this. You can do it. Stop. You know what I'll do? If it doesn't work out, I just won't publish the video. That's what I'm gonna do. And this way everybody can think I'm wonderful. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'll do. What do you think? Is that a good idea? Oh my gosh. I'm afraid to let you look. Don't get mad at me if I didn't do it good. Please. Oh gosh. Please, Spencer. Please be good. Be good, Spencer. Oh, goodness. I'm sorry that I'm crying. You know how I get when I do really good stuff. Let me dry my tears. Hold on. Oh gosh. Oh man, I gotta cut this now. All right. Okay. Hold on a second. I think. Oh yeah. Oh. Cállate. Cállate la boca. Cállate la boca. Gosh. Oh no, don't come up, man. All right, this is ruining my joy. It just took away my joy. It did. Okay, let me put this back. Let me put it back, Jack. Okay, I'm gonna put some paste under it. Don't tell anybody. But why is he doing this? What happened? Why is he doing, honey? Why is he doing this? For the guy saying that, let me tell you something. Mind your business. Okay, I need 2 hands. 1 second. Okay, just so you don't think I did any tricks off the camera. Look, I'm back here. Put this back down. Okay, that's all I did. Because I know some of you YouTube trolls like to criticize. Any YouTube comments that come in after 2 a.m., I ignore them. It's usually venom. But what's wrong with you? I get a lot of comments. What's wrong with you? And they're never positive. They're always like, is something wrong with you? My father was like you. I couldn't stand him. You know, things like that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I just, you know what it is? I get emotional because, you know, I was never good at much as a kid. I was a terrible runner. I was on the track team. I came in last every race. Every single race I came in last. Every one of them. Okay, let me trim this. The customers love it. I'm just so overwhelmed. I know you're thinking that it's not really there. I know. I'll just prove it to you. Where is it? Okay, see? There it is. Just so you know, in case you were thinking, Daddy, he changed it. Don't stop watching this guy. He's a fraud. Not true. Now, to make it flush, you're gonna roll that over. Wood, not metal, not metal. I learned that the hard way. Don't use this. I'm not gonna tell you why, but don't use it. Not on this. I learned that the hard way on a shoe locker. Let's just say, no, let's not.
It really will. Okay, will this work?
If you don't have one of these, ask your customer. Just kidding. Now, why am I doing this? Now, if you didn't do it as good as I did it, here's what you do. Ask your customer if they have red wine, and ask him or her to have a glass of it before they inspect the final product. And you should be good to go, because usually red wine will do it. Now, we have a little, Uncle Spencer wasn't perfect there, so we're going to make it look perfect. The whole thing is the final product, you would agree. So we'll do it like this, so you see what I'm doing. And we're only joining, because it's geometric, so everything's got to be spot on. We're just continuing that line.
It was just, look,
Oh,
I
yeah.
dropped it. It's so little.
Yeah,
it
no,
was
that's
teeny,
cool.
teeny little.
That is cool. Okay, Spencer.
Beautiful.
Oh, good.
Now let's see. Right here, we're gonna fix right here. See that? See that? Right there. Let's fix that. Okay, very nice. Very hard when you have geometric shapes missing straight lines. You must replace them, you know? So, because otherwise, what do you got? It's not a geometric shape anymore, right? It's a bit of a joke.
Alright, you got a pencil?
Yeah, man.
I got all kind of pencils.
Not hit here. I wasn't kidding about when I ran track. So you might wonder, why did I join track? The answer is, I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking. I was 15. You know when they tell kids, you can do anything. You can do anything. You know what? I learned that that wasn't true. You can't do everything. They tell kids today, you can be anything you want. No, you can't. Yeah, within your means, you know. He's gonna be a doctor. I love when I hear people tell their kids, you gonna be a doctor? Yeah, I'm gonna be a doctor. Kids playing video games all day. But he's gonna be a doctor. And then they get to high school and they're working in Starbucks. Not that it's bad to work in Starbucks, you know. But they quickly realize that becoming a doctor requires a lot of work, you know. I could be a doctor. Why is that? Because my teacher said I could do it. He said, let me remember. He said, you could do anything. Okay. Alrighty. Alrighty. I think I'm ready to show you good folks. Oh gosh. Oh. I think I'm ready to show you. Okay. Okay, let me show you.
Do you approve? Now, if you're a professional paper hanger, my advice to you, you do what you want, but my advice to you is that you don't readily share this with your client. Here's why. To a degree, you're an artist, and to a degree, you have an artist's license to make it look perfect, especially if they didn't order enough paper. That's one case. But you also have an obligation to produce the finest work according to your ability. And sometimes it's imprudent to show them where a splice is, simply because you don't want them trying to find it. Now, in this case, my customer happens to watch my video, so I said, I want to show you what I'm going to do. And I don't want you to panic, but I don't want you to be here when I'm doing it, because I get nervous. Because, you know, you don't want somebody hovering over you. But that's the product. Do you like it? If so, good for you. Thanks for watching. Oh, by the way, click on like and subscribe. Thank you.